Now, whether you are taking the subway or studying in the library, you can see Bluetooth headsets everywhere. However, the Bluetooth headset worn every day is a stealth spy lurking around you. Maybe you are being monitored at any time, and even being tracked. It is so terrible, so what the hell is going on? Some Bluetooth headsets have security loopholes that can be quickly implanted by criminals with codes that can implement monitoring or have a positioning function to achieve remote tracking and even monitoring. How did the outlaws do it, and what should we do to avoid being tracked? From the perspective of Bluetooth communication principles, Bluetooth devices usually include a Bluetooth module and Bluetooth radio, and software that supports the connection. Bluetooth devices need to be paired before they can implement communication functions. When the Bluetooth headset is paired for the first time, the user needs to use the PIN code, a personal identification code for verification. The PIN code is usually composed of 4 to 6 digits. During verification, the Bluetooth headset will automatically encrypt the code using the built-in encryption algorithm and then transmit it to the target device for identity authentication. In this process, the attacker may intercept the Bluetooth communication data packets and then disguise as the target device to connect or use the brute force attack method to crack the PIN code, break the Bluetooth headset system, and then can quickly implant the monitor or malicious code that locates the function. In addition, when the Bluetooth headset is waiting to be paired, attackers may also scan the Bluetooth headset to pair it and then easily implant malicious code. After implanting malicious code that can achieve monitoring or positioning functions, the location information of the Bluetooth headset can be obtained at close range using close-range monitoring services or by using related equipment to realize monitoring or positioning tracking of the Bluetooth headset. What can we do to avoid being tracked when using Bluetooth headsets? You should pay attention to: pair your Bluetooth headsets in a safe area as much as possible. Try to set the Bluetooth headset power to the lowest available. Enable Bluetooth headsets only when necessary. Reduce the distance between connected devices. Minimize the duration of voice calls. In short, you should always verify and confirm the device being paired when pairing a Bluetooth headset. If you get an unexpected prompt, don't enter the password. In this case, you'd better delete lost, stolen, or unused devices from the default paired device list. Additionally, Bluetooth headsets can be set to be undiscoverable by default. After watching this video, if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment zone and we will try our best to answer them.